Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. This is Mr. Angel again. I promised you guys in my second video that after the second one, I'm going to release the third one to use the same equation using another method. This is the third method now, which is quadratic formula. The first one we use factorization. The second one we use completing the square method, of which we got the same answer in our first and the second one. So the third one we're going to do now, we're expecting to get the same answer as I earlier promised. So whichever way that is simple for you, among the three methods, you can use and get your answer. So what are we solving? Look at the board. The equation is on the board. S squared minus 8s plus 12 equals to 0. Now from here, we already know that we're going to use quadratic formula. So what is the formula that we're going to use? The formula is S plus 2 minus B plus or minus root B squared minus 4AC divide everything by 2A. Remember, in quadratic equation, this equation is derived from AS squared plus BX plus C equals to 0. From here, our A and B, they are the coefficients, while our X here is a variable, the X are variables, C here is a constant number. So that is not what we're going to do. So what I want you to understand is how you can use this formula correctly while solving quadratic equation. So the first thing you need to do is to fix this from what I wrote just now. Our A from this equation is equal to 1. It's the equation of X. Our B equals to minus 8. Our C is equals to 12. So the next step is to place them inside this formula. Wherever you see A, what are you going to put? You put 1. Wherever you see B, you put minus 8. And wherever you see C, letter C, you put what? 12. So what do? Based on this formula, our X is going to be look up and watch it minus our B is what? Minus what? 8. Bracket root plus or minus first, sorry. Eight squared minus 4 bracket 1, then bracket again, open bracket. What is C? C is 12. Okay. Divide everything by what? 2A. A is 1. From here, minus times minus is plus, so we have positive 8 this time around. Plus or minus roots. Our 8 square is what? 64. Minus our 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 12 is 48. You agree with me? Divided by what? Our 2A, which is the denominator here. We have 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So what do we need to do? We simplify it more. Our S will be equals to plus 8. 8 plus or minus rather, sorry. Root 64 is still 8, so we're not going to do it that way. What we're going to do is, first of all, you do is subtract this from this. 64 minus 48 will give you 16, so it's going to be root 16. Divided by what? By 2. Root 16 divided by 2. So from here, root 16 is equals to, I want you to see what I'm doing. So root 16 S equals to what? 8 plus or minus root 16 is 4. Then divided by what? By 2. So our S will be equals to 8 plus 4 divided by 2. Or our S will be equals to 8 minus 4 divided by what? 2. So we have X as what? 6 or 2 as our final answer. Why? 8 plus 4 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. 8 minus 4 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. So the first method, we got 6 or 2 as our final answer. The one we use factorization. The second one, we use completing the square. We got 6 or 2. Now this is the third method, and we got the same answer. We got the same answer. Well, so whichever way that is more simple for you, any of this method that is more simple for you, you can what? Use it. As for me, I choose factorization. I choose factorization. It's more simpler. Okay. Now, there's something I want you to notice or to put in your mind while using this particular method, this last method, which is quadratic formula. First of all, you need to know the formula itself. You need to know the formula itself, and you need to be mindful of the negative numbers. You need to be mindful of the negative number. So when you are multiplying a negative number by a negative number, it's going to give you a positive number. That's just it. So at the end, when you are able to fix everything into the formula, according to the formula, you arrive at a better or a good ending. So what do we need to do? We need to have the formula in our mind and fix everything there. Then we'll get to the final destination correctly. Thank you so much for watching. I want you to click on the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Please and please, please and please click on subscription button for me. I need it so that you'll be able to see the next video I'm going to release. I promise that I'm going to teach simultaneous equation using different methods. Follow me, don't go anywhere. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is Mr. Angel. Thank you.